Welcome back to Car Hub, the place where speed meets innovation and where every drive begins with passion. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss the latest updates from the automotive world. Today, we're talking about one of the most iconic American supercars ever built, the all-new 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C8, the next generation that's rewriting the rulebook once again. Chevrolet has officially unveiled the 2026 Corvette C8, and it's nothing short of breathtaking. From the outside, the C8 still carries that unmistakable Corvette D and a sharp, low, aggressive, and pure performance. But this time, it's evolved into something even more futuristic. The design is more aerodynamic than ever, with reworked front and rear fascias, a sleeker headlight design, and new air intakes that not only look great but enhance cooling and downforce. The rear features a redesigned diffuser and a subtle yet striking LED taillight pattern that screams modern performance. Chevrolet has clearly taken inspiration from European supercars while maintaining that bold American attitude. Under the hood, the 2026 Corvette C8 doesn't just roar, it thunders. Powering this beast is an updated 6.2-liter LT2 V8 engine that now produces up to 525 horsepower and 480 pounds-ft of torque. But that's not all. Rumors have it that Chevrolet is testing a new hybrid-assisted version pushing well beyond 600 horsepower, blending raw muscle with electrified precision. The result? A mid-engine supercar capable of hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds. That's not just fast, that's Corvette fast. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission has been fine-tuned for lightning-quick shifts, giving drivers a seamless connection between power and pavement. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Corvette C8 is where technology meets luxury. Chevrolet has elevated the driver experience with a redesigned digital cockpit featuring a larger 12.3-inch driver display and a new infotainment system with improved graphics and faster processing. The cabin layout remains driver-focused, wrapping you in a jet fighter-style cockpit with high-quality materials, including leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents. The seats have been re-engineered for both comfort and support, making long drives just as enjoyable as track days. Chevrolet also introduces new customization options, from bold color choices to unique wheel designs and premium interior themes. For those who want exclusivity, there's a special edition package offering performance upgrades, lightweight components, and track-focused tuning. This isn't just a car you drive, it's an experience you command. In terms of driving dynamics, the new C8 is sharper, smarter, and more connected to the road than ever before. Thanks to a revised suspension system, adaptive magnetic ride control, and improved aerodynamics, the handling feels more planted and confident. Whether you're carving through corners or cruising on the highway, the 2026 Corvette delivers a balance of precision and comfort that few cars in its class can match. Chevrolet's engineers have also worked hard on technology integration. The C8 now supports over-the-air updates, a fully connected app for performance data logging, and advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist. But don't worry, it hasn't gone soft. The Corvette still gives you full control, keeping the focus on performance driving. Visually, the car makes a statement wherever it goes. The low stance, wide haunches, and aggressive front end make it look ready to pounce even when standing still. Chevrolet offers new color finishes like Arctic Blaze, Velocity Red, and Lunar Silver, giving owners a chance to make their C8 stand out even more. Every inch of this car has been sculpted with purpose, form following function, and function built for speed. The 2026 Corvette C8 represents more than just a new model. It's a milestone for American engineering. It bridges the gap between traditional muscle and modern innovation, proving that Chevrolet can go head-to-head with the best from Ferrari, Porsche, and McLaren. It's a supercar that's attainable, thrilling, and built for real drivers. So, what do you think about the new 2026 Corvette C8? Has Chevrolet created the perfect balance of power and precision, or do you miss the old-school rawness of past generations? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Car Hub for more exciting car reviews and unveilings from around the world. Until next time, this is Car Hub, where your passion for cars drives the journey.